It is a result of a lifetime of learning. I'm Mokshita
And I, Vichesh,
of grade 7D, wishing you all a very happy morning to our honorable principal ma'am, smart and hardworking teachers, and my dear friends.
welcome to the special assembly dedicated to human rights. Today, let's reflect the fundamental principle that unites us, promoting dignity, equality, and justice for all.
Let us start our assembly with the national song. To call upon our choir group to sing the national song.
Prayer gives us hope and strength. It enlightens our mind. Let us start our day by offering prayer to Supreme Almighty. I call upon my friends for the prayer.
And to join your hands, close your eyes and bow your head for the prayer. O God, who art truth and the origin of all knowledge, bless our studies which we consecrate to you. Enlighten our minds, strengthen our memories, and direct our wills towards what is right. Grant us to seek the truth always and make us truly wise. Thank you.
A good and inspiring thought can spice up our day. I call upon Anugna and Rohan for thought.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rohan. Today's thought: never hate your haters, but respect them, because they are the only ones who think you are better than them.
The meaning of this thought is that we should not hate our haters. Instead of hating them, we should give respect to our haters. Some people hate us when we do better in comparison to them. They are giving you a chance to let you know that you are doing good. So I just want to say that if somebody hates you, don't give hatred in return. Respect each and everyone. Either they are your loved ones or your haters. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Updating ourselves shows our awareness towards the nation and the society. News tells us what is happening around the world. It also updates us whenever there is a change in the society and the nation. I call upon my friends Rohan and Lakshmi Shira for the news.
International news. Bangladesh opposition party holds protest as it boycotts Jan 7th national elections amid violence. National news. India to receive trade minister from Switzerland, Norway for critical talks this week. State news. Revant Reddy visits the Mari Chenna Reddy Human Resource Development Institute. Local news. Harish Rao congratulates Telangana CM Revant Reddy, Deputy CM Bhati Vikramarka.
Sports news. South Africa versus India first T20 called off without a ball due to incessant runs. India will now have just 5 T20Is left before the T20 World Cup next year. Weather report. Winter months this year will witness a warmer winter season as temperatures are expected to stay above the normal range according to the Indian Meteorological Department. Thank you.
Now I will request everyone to settle down for some time. I call upon my friends to perform a sketch which tells the importance of human rights.
मुझे क्यों धक्का मारा?
पता है तो किससे बात कर रहे हो?
किससे?
मैं मिनिस्टर का बेटा हूँ।
तो क्या? क्यों झगड़ रहा है? ये मुझे धक्का मारा।
Right to equality. There is no difference between rich and poor. According to Article 14 of Indian Constitution, nobody is allowed to degrade somebody regardless of caste, religion and creed. Everyone has the right to equality.
Bye ma, I am going to school. Okay बेटा, अच्छे से पढ़ो, अच्छे से खा लो।
I want to go to school. I want to go to school.
बेटा हमारे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है, इतने अच्छे स्कूल में जाने का। तो मेरा काम में हेल्प करो, कुछ पैसे कमाओ। Send your child to school and every child has the right to education. I am Hindu, I am proud of my religion. I am Muslim, I am proud of my religion. I am Christian, I love my religion. This is the freedom of religion and everyone can practice whatever religion they want. Stop! You can't wear mask like this, looking scary and bad. But why? It's a tribal culture. We are proud of it. We will do it. Don't you have respect for your culture? Ours is such a big culture and yours is such a small culture.
Stop! You follow culture and you follow your culture. This is the right to culture. Everyone has a freedom to follow or practice whichever culture they want.
Everyone around us are lucky enough to get food 3 times a day, but it is everyone's right to be free from hunger. We can stand up for those who don't have food by sharing food with them. Freedom from hunger.
Standing up for human rights is everyone's responsibility, including mine. These rights are super past, it doesn't matter.
What age we are?
Where are we from?
It does not matter what gender we are.
It does not matter what religion we are or economical background. Human rights are such rights that we deserve to get from birth. Many people are not quite aware of these rights. Awareness of the same is required so that people can live an unbiased life. So on this Human Rights Day, let's support each other's rights.
Hope you have enjoyed the skit.
Now let's watch an amazing dance performance by the girls of grade 7D.
तथा बाल गणेश, बाल गोपाल आदि इसके प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण हैं। लेकिन आज की तस्वीर इससे बिल्कुल अलग है कीमती बच्चे फिर भी क्यों नंगे पैर ये सड़कों पर भीख मांगते हैं। अपनी किस्मत की रेखा छोटे बर्तनों में घिसते हैं। घर, बाजार, वासना के हाथों रोज बिकते हैं। हम रोज ये सुनते, पढ़ते और देखते और सो जाते हैं।
ये ले, इसे भी धो, वरना आज भी खाना नहीं रखी, समझी?
बचाओ! बचाओ! प्लीज, प्लीज मत छोड़ दो।
proud and it is a great honor taking this opportunity. May I request our class teacher to address us.
Every morning have a better chance to be better, chance to change, chance to do better. So past is past, we have to leave it there. So we have a better chance to do better tomorrow. So happy morning to one and all. So children, what is the today's theme? Assembly theme you all understood, I think. So human rights. A right that all people, whether a man, woman or a child, are all entitled to these human rights. Human Rights Day is observed on every year 10th December. So it is the day United Nations General Assembly adopted Universal Declaration of Human Rights. What is the importance of human rights? Irrespective of caste, creed, nationality, origin, religion, status, every person can entitle to these human rights. So every individual can lead his life without any fear, enthusiasm and harassment. So human rights are universal. No one can take away these human rights. So this 2023 human rights theme is to freedom, justice and equality. So motto of giving these human rights is every person can live without any freedom and discrimination. Okay, and these are universal. From any corner of the world, they can have access at any time. So what is our duty towards human rights? It is our duty what is our duty towards human rights? We need to stand up for our rights and those of others. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
For your valuable address.
Now, I would like to request our walking role model and idol of perfection, none other than our principal ma'am, to give her valuable advices.
Morning teachers and my loving children, very good morning. Yeah, let us applaud 7D class teacher and the students for the wonderful presentation on human rights. Yeah, teacher very well briefed on human rights, being a social teacher. Ma'am can do that. One, I can say children that we cannot, violate human rights, isn't it? Being students also we have rights, human rights, isn't it? We have to follow that and we should not violate, even in the classroom or at home or wherever you go, isn't it children, wherever you are. So, hope you all understood this theme today. Even I like the thought, do not hate haters. Children, whenever if your friend hates you, do not continue the same thing. You instead do not hate the same person again. But with your actions, you can just change that person and you can make that environment healthy, isn't it? So do not hate haters. It's nice thought. Yeah.